if you don't get sanitizer for house now, it's not good. You need to dey carry am around your pocket, dey carry up and down, because now you need now to dey use the sanitizer on hand. They keep the hand clean, make any germs wey enter, you go just kill and comot. So we need them. It is very important. And it can't be say the thing now come dey scarce, and some way you go see self come dey expensive. Some people not fit buy am. Let make us do this video. Make we show on how to do am for house. Now well done now. I'm me and a sister and a friend and a girl, Bibi Breeder Concept. So I say how on a day. Hope everybody dey safe. The most important thing I we just dey safe, and we thank God for His protection. So I say I tell on I say very soon we will get live videos. Live video where we will talk issues, because many people don't contact me, tell me stories where they want my talk about. Maybe say they need ideas. I will let on know the time where we will get live videos. So me wanna come give ideas and listen, learn. One person not they know finish, as I always dey talk. But for today on, I want to show how they do hand sanitizer. So the major thing na this, na spirit, alcohol. You see this one for chemists. Spirit, we will take the treat wound. Aloe vera gel. You see 100% aloe vera gel. Now to moisturize the hand, may not dry out. You know, say spirit they dry something. So if you use only the spirit, your hand will dry. You will make your hand come dry, come be like say the kind fan way your hand go make cocoa. I say all the firewood way they this life now you break up. So, but if you put this one, it will make the hand stay smooth. You know how this sanitizer they do now when you spray for hand, your hand not they just dry out hand. Now this thing in the maker, aloe vera gel, good. Not be aloe vera oil, aloe vera gel. You feel use the aloe vera gel finish, constantly add the oil. For person where we say you really get dry hand, you really want to make a hand they moisturize. And this one is essential oil. You get different fragrance. It depends on the one way you like, you use. But you know today necessary. Now just make it for key the spirit odor. If you don't like the odor, may not today harsh for nose, so you go put the fragrance where you like for this essential oil. It's very nice. When you watch this video to the end, you go get enough sanitizer for her. So watch out. This one now the one we will get before, where we they use. Now the same product we they here now take one. Scent good. Sanitizer homemade. So I will show you how I take one. This one na spirits, alcohol. This one na aloe vera oil. You feel put on if you want. Why this one na still the important thing with the aloe vera gel. So this one na to give her fragrance where you go like, you know, the smell go dey good. They come different type. Me na like this lavender. Na me like. Just these two don't they okay. But if you still add this one just to give you better fragrance. So the mixture now two of this, one of this. So now I will mix, because I don't get for house before. I know to do plenty. Now just my show on a more for no waiting with the talk. As I put one of these spirits, two. I don't pour two now. So the aloe vera gel. If you open the container pour once, if you know they come out. So you come pour for inside the alcohol. Then you take this one. If you like, if you not like, you still leave them. But for me, I dey like them because they give them 2 drops. They okay. It depends the quantity where you do. So you know the drops where you go put. You come mix some way, mix some way. And your sanitizer done ready with that. You come pour now for inside the cup. Come shake it. See, I'm ready. This so. So no need to buy sanitizer for markets where they cost. You don't do it. So you be. So I say you don't do it. They very cheap to do, and you will get them always for us. Keep yourself healthy and safe with this, just by doing it at home. Thank you. Thank on we don't subscribe. Oh, I will always thank on people who don't subscribe, because it shows they then support what we do. Now just the truth. If you never subscribe, let me say you not really like what we do. So may you support, may we know say really you like what we do. And not to say I don't know who subscribe and who not subscribe, oh, because God is saying, I'm watching you. So God bless you. New people will just join us. I say God bless on us on our come. Wanna say still subscribe. Wanna they follow us for what we do. Love you guys.